Hey guys, it's me Laura with scrapsoфencouragement.com, and today I'm here with my son Samuel. You can say hi, Samuel.
Hi.
So he has created a card and he is going to walk you through the steps that he took to do it, and then he'll show you his original card at the end. And I'm just here to kind of help him out and guide him along, and here we go.
So first you'll need a plain white card base, just plain white basically. And then you'll need some
Designer series paper.
Yeah, some designer.
This is Free as a Bird. This will be coming out in the new catalog on June 4.
Yeah. And then I'll take the adhesive, push it around. I like to add a little extra adhesive across your lines just to make it more sturdy.
Do you want me to help you with that part? Okay, so we're gonna line this up and stick it down. That look good?
Perfect.
All right.
And then we're going to take this.
How did we get that?
Rectangle die cut with
Yes.
little.
We used the rectangle stitched dies to make this on Calypso coral paper, and it is the third from the smallest. So if you count up 1, 2, 3, that's the one that we used.
And now I'm going to grab.
You want to show them the stamp set you're using?
This
is Free as a Bird. It's going to be coming out in the new catalog on June 4 as well.
And now I'm going to take the bird and take my stamp block here and get my ink. We're using just some regular black ink. And I'm going to do the feet a little better because last time I think the feet weren't quite right, or it's just how the stamp is. Just over a little bit.
Good job. Do you want me to clean the stamp for you?
And then I'm going to take this stamp block and get
The stamps are over there.
the stamp.
There you go.
Hello. Put that on and then
Here's your ink.
get the ink back. Get the hello. And then put it the right way. And then put it right beside the bird.
There you go. Good job.
And then I'm going to take the balmy blue, start coloring in the bird.
So this
So-
is the dark balmy blue blend.
So I'm going to take it down at the lower end, and just the top part is just going to be balmy blue.
So what color do you have now? This is dark mango melody.
And I'm going to color the bottom half of the bird. Darker orange. Now this card is going to be a little different than the first one because I'm using this dark orange. In the last one I used this yellow for the head and this darker orange for the body. Switch.
This is dark pumpkin poppy.
And they're almost exactly the same, as you can see, except for the yellow looks a little lighter orange. And I'm going to take some for the beak. And I'm going to take the black for the feet. Just get the bottom half. Just a bit of the feet colored in. And I'm going to take blue.
You already used it.
Okay, I already used balmy blue, so now I'm going to use this purple.
This is dark blackberry bliss.
And just color the edges, make this stand out. Color on the edge. And in the end, this whole thing will be this color. And if I just use this color paper, it would have looked way different. Because paper with different colors makes different things.
What's your favorite thing about making cards?
It's peaceful.
Peaceful?
It's fun. And you can just color right over the feet. It's still black.
So what do you do with your cards when you make them?
Give them to people.
Who do you like to give them to?
Family and friends. It's okay if you accidentally coloring the bird with the purple a little.
It's not about making the cards perfect, is it?
Nope, it's just about making them.
With love, right?
Yes.
And we want to do our best. But if we mess up a little bit, should we just throw our card away?
No.
Oh, that's right. What do you think if there's somebody who's watching who's afraid to make cards because they feel like they're not very good, or they make cards but they're afraid to send them out but they feel like they're not very good? What would you tell them?
That it's okay. It's okay if you make bad. If you say your cards are bad, it's okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. Just think that people will like it, even if you think it looks awful.
And how does someone get better at something?
By doing it again and 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 again.
That's right. Alright, so what happens next for your card?
I'm going to put this on with dimensionals. Right now I'm just going to do one in each corner and then one in the middle. So 5 dimensionals and all. And you can kind of see it right through the paper that there's a bird.
Yeah, it looks like a different kind of bird, huh? Like an abstract bird.
It's an abstract bird.
Abstract is a kind of art that isn't precise. Like it takes a little bit of imagination to see exactly what it is. It's not like photorealism or something like that where you're trying to make things look really exactly like they do in real life.
That's what the other side is.
Yeah.
The back is not.
That's right.
And then you just stick it on.
All right, there was one more thing you put on your card. Do you remember?
The bird's eye.
Okay, how do you do the bird's eye?
I just take this and color one of the silver dots. Do one of the little ones.
Yeah, that was the one we used last time.
Just take a few layers over everything.
Good job.
To really get it colored. Then you just wait for a minute and...
Do you want to put it on this time? Or do you want Mama to help you?
You just nudge it on.
Here, let me help you. Oops. Ah! There you go.
And we'll take it around.
Now you're going to set it down?
Bird's eye.
There we go. The bird's eye.
And put it in place, and voila, here's this card. And the first card I made looks like this. I'm sure you can barely notice the difference in the stomachs, but there is kind of noticeable difference.
This one's a little bit brighter. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like, it reminds me of a robin.
Yeah.
With a red breast on it.
Mm-hmm.
Should we thank everyone for being with us while we were stamping today?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us, everyone, and hope that you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. Talk to you later.
Bye.